वस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना.
Dear students, good morning to everybody. I welcome you to my English class today. In my previous classes, we have already discussed about the author of the topic, G.L. Fruitich, and what type of writer he was. Lenzo Scarfield was totally destroyed by the hailstorm. As an innocent, hardworking farmer, Lenzo had a strong faith in God. According to Lenzo, God is omniscient, Sarvagyanta. He knows everything what is happening in His creation, even what is in one's conscience. So he decided to write a letter to God, asking Him, giving Him 100 pesos in order to sow his field again and live till the crops. Then, after writing the letter, he went to the post office and posted the letter in mail. The postmaster, who was a fat and amiable person, when he saw the letter, both the postmaster and postpeon burst out laughing, and the postmaster decided to answer the letter of Lenzo. He decided not to shake the faith of a man upon God. He collected money from different sources as an act of charity. He collected some money from his friends, from his employees, and himself gave a part of his salary. So, as a good, kind man, postmaster next Sunday handed over the letter with the money. The postmaster gave Lenzo a money little more than half. So, now we see what was the reaction of Lenzo after receiving the money from the postmaster. Now we shall discuss paragraph 11 to last paragraph till the end. Now you should cooperate with me and read the paragraphs 11. You see page number 10. The following Sunday, Lenzo came a bit earlier than usual to ask if there was a letter for him. It was the postman himself who handed the letter to him, while the postmaster experienced the contentment of a man who has performed a good deed, looked on from his office. Lenzo showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. Such was his confidence, but he became angry when he counted the money. God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied Lenzo what he had requested. Immediately, Lenzo went up to the window to ask for paper and ink. On the public writing table, he started to write with much wrinkling of his brow, caused by the effort he had to make to express his ideas. When he finished, he went to the window to buy a stamp, which he licked and then affixed to the envelope with a blow of his fist. The moment the letter fell into the mailbox, the postmaster went to open it. It said, "God of the money that I asked for, only 70 peso. Reached me, send me the rest, since I need it very much. But don't send it to me through the mail, because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks." Lencho. Dear students, now you should understand the meaning of difficult words. Contentment, satisfaction, santosha. A good deed, bhalo karya. Surprise, आश्चर्य. Confidence, self-belief, आत्मविश्वास. Working of, wrinkling of brow. आखि पतार कुंचन, licked छेप मारिला. Fixed properly, भलो भावरे मारिला. Fist, हाथ मुठा. A bunch of crooks, dishonest people, असाधु लोक, ठक. Bunch means दले. A group of people. Now you should understand the paragraphs with Odia meaning. Listen. The following Sunday, next Sunday, Lencho came a bit earlier than usual to ask if there was letter for him. परवर्ती रविवार लेंचो टिके आगुआ आसी पहुंचला पोस्ट ऑफिस रे. Ask if there was a letter for him. ता पाई किछि चिट्ठी आसीछि कि. It was the postman himself who handed the letter to him. The postman लेंचो को चिट्ठी दी देइथिला. Experience the contentment of a man, say, who has performed a good deeds looked on from his office. Postmaster ଯିଏ ତାକୁ ସମସ୍ତ ପଇସା ବହୁ କଷ୍ଟରେ ସଂଗ୍ରହ କରି ଦେଇଥିଲା, ସିଏ ଖୁବ୍ ସନ୍ତୋଷର ସହ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଫିସରେ ରହି ଲେଞ୍ଚର ପ୍ରତିକ୍ରିୟାକୁ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ କରୁଥିଲା. Lencho showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. Lencho ए पैसा पाइबा परे सामान्यतम आश्चर्य प्रकाश कला नहीं. Such was his confidence, कारण भगवान को ऊपर तार दृढ़ विश्वास था. But he became angry, से रागी गला. When he counted the money, सेते बेले से पैसा गणिला, सेते बेले से रागी गला. Because God could not have made a mistake. से जानिथिला भगवान केबे एभली भूल करि न पारंती. Nor could he have denied Lencho what he had requested. से जहा अनुरोध करिथिला भगवान केबे ताकू देबाकू मना करि नथिबे. Immediately Lencho went out to the window. खूब शीघ्र Lencho went out to the window, झरका निकटो गला to ask of paper and ink. पेपर गोटे खंडे कागज एवं काली मागिला. On the public writing table, जोठी समस्त बसी लेखंती, he started to write. से चिट्ठी लिखिबा को आरंभ कला with much wrinkling of his brow. तार आखि पता को कुंचन करी, caused by effort he had to make to express his idea. काहे कि आखि पता को कुंचन कला तार आइडिया तार धारणा को परिप्रकाश करिया पाई से किछि चिंता पड़िला एवं चिंता करी से लिखिबा को लागिला. When he finished, he went to the window to buy the stamp. जेतेबेले चिट्ठी से लेखा सारी देला तापर से झरका पाको गला to buy a stamp. गोटे स्टाम्प टे किनिला, licked and affixed to the envelope with a blow of his fist. सेई स्टाम्प को छेप मारी affixed to the envelope with a blow of his fist. हाथर मुठारे लेप बादियारे से स्टाम्प टिक मारला फिस्ट मुठारे. The moment the letter fell into the box, जेतेबेले लेंचो से चिट्ठी टिकु बॉक्स रे पकैला, जो मुहूर्त रे the postmaster went to open it. postmaster जाई चिट्ठी टिकु खोलला. It is said, चिट्ठी रे लिखा थिला, God of the money that I had asked for. जो पैसा पाए मु मागिथिली जो पैसा मागिथिली only 70 pesos reached me. केवल जहाँ बाकी पैसा 30 peso since I need it very much. मु ताको चाहूची but don't send it to be through the mail. से पैसा टाको अवशिष्ट पैसा को आउ डाकरे पठेबनी because the post office employees a post office कर्मचारी माने are bunch of crooks होचंती दळे ठक dishonest people. Crooks means dishonest people. So in this way Renzo finished his letter to God. Dear students, now you know about the topic vividly. I described before you. Now you to know the topic well, you should answer some questions, or we should discuss some objective questions now. Now we discuss the questions about the topic, about the paragraph. Where did Lecho come a bit earlier than usual? Lecho came a bit earlier than usual to the post office. Answer is to the post office. Who handed over the letter to Lecho? The post bearer handed the letter to Lecho. Why did Lecho come to the post office? Lecho come to the post office a bit early. If there was a letter to him. Why did Lecho? How did Lecho react when he saw the money? When Lecho saw the money, he was not surprised. He was not even slightest surprised. How did Lecho react when he counted the money? When Lecho counted the money, he got angry. What did the Lecho ask for in the post office? Lecho asked for paper and ink in the post office. Where did Lecho write the second letter? Write the second letter. Lecho wrote the second letter on the public writing table. What did Lecho buy in the post office? Lecho bought a stamp in the post office. How did Lecho affix stamp to the envelope? Lecho affixed the stamp to the envelope by the blow of his fist. Next question. Lecho opened the post office employees were bunch of crooks. What did Lecho open the post office employees? Lecho opened the post office employees were bunch of crooks. Who collected and opened the second letter? The postmaster collected and opened the second letter. How much money did Lecho request God in his second letter? Lecho requested God to give him 30 peso in his second letter. What is peso? Peso means currency of several Latin American countries. Dear students, now the topic is over and the class of today is finished. So we should wait for the next class and we shall discuss the notes and the glossary with the grammar of the text. So now the class is over. Thank you all for watching my English class today.